Welcome back to Steven's Garage. Today, I'm working on this 2009 Hyundai Elantra, and I'm going to be replacing the VVT sensor. It's got the 2-liter inline-4 engine. Check engine lights popped up with codes P0077 intake valve control solenoid high circuit, high bank 1, and evap system incorrect purge flow. It was very easy for me to diagnose this one just because when I opened the hood, I saw this cable tucked away and the sensor is broken. It's supposed to sit just like that. But otherwise, if you just Google the codes, it'll pop up that this is the sensor that you're going to need to replace. I bought this one on Amazon for $20. Put the link in the description, and it's very simple to do. All you need is a 10mm socket for the bolt that is located right under the sensor, right there. My finger's pointing. And a ratchet or an impact gun, whatever you have laying around. You just have to take that bolt out. Make sure you don't drop it. Now, when you are removing the sensor, be prepared for some oil to come out. And I just dropped the bolt. Good thing I have a magnet stick. But just be prepared for oil to come out, like such. Throw that away. Make sure no debris fall into this hole. Just gonna wipe everything off. And then the new sensor, make sure you have the O-ring on it, lubricate it a little bit with oil, and it just slides right in. Now I'm gonna go grab the bolt that's down there. Got the bolt. If you're ever working on a car, it's always handy to have a magnet stick. It just landed right down there, but I wouldn't be able to fit my hand in there. Just used it. I'm gonna go ahead, put the bolt right in there. Make sure you line it up. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but it's okay. There you go. So tighten it down. Just like such. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Throw that away. Just gonna plug it in. And be careful, just because it is made out of plastic, I always put my finger on the back side of these when I push the connector in. Push it in until it clicks. Like such. Move this out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead, clear these codes out. Turn the radio off. Okay, codes have been cleared. Back out. Go ahead and start the car. And with this one, because the sensor is broken, the code would pop up immediately. Read codes, see if there's anything pending. Perfect. That's it. No more check engine light. Everything should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.